Okay, looking at the range of this thing, asking a question, are there any numbers that don't work, that don't appear in the range? Well, -4 doesn't. If y is -4, there's no x that gives you -4. Since this is squared, there's no x that's going to give you a negative, is there? Okay, well, how low does the range go? Since it doesn't go down to -4, does it go down to 0? Well, if you did it on a bigger domain, it would go down 2, but not including 0, and we'll worry about that later. Okay? But if the domain is from -2 to 2, it only goes down to 1/4. Okay? Because the bigger x gets, the smaller this gets, right? X can't get bigger than 2, so this can't get smaller than 1/4, right? But since 2 is included in the domain, 1/4 is going to be included in the range, right? So, the range now we haven't established it, but there's no limit to how small x can get, so there's no limit to how many times it can go into 1, right? Okay? So the range is the interval from 1/4 to infinity. Okay? Means it never stops. Just keeps going. That's why I have an arrow on it here. Make sense? Okay. What I want you to do is take a minute and list the domain and range of each of the other basic functions. You can visualize the graph. You don't have to write out the table. But give me the domain and range, first of all, of the table. Okay? That would be like this, right? And then of the function if you fill in the curve, right? What are the domain and range of each of the basic functions?